explain. My mom's using her phone. And guys, look, we got a little light up thing. It lights us up. Well,
We got everything in here.
not everything.
And a pool toy.
Whoa! Oh! Oh! Ah!
You.
No, it wasn't you. I just got bit by a mosquito. I think.
This goes in here.
And I think I just got bit by a mosquito, guys. It hurts. Can I smash it though? Okay. Just smash it. Just smash it.
No,
That's
you
it.
didn't splash it.
Guys, I'm in between.
Okay, guys. So we'll put. Ah! So we're playing.
I got all of these.
And guys, watch. Once we go underwater.
Right there.